What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the new Emax Babyhawk-R, and this is the new 3-inch version. Emax just sent this to me yesterday, and I've been flying it around, checking it out, and it's a really awesome flyer. Just wanted to bring this thing out here and show you guys how it flies. Very quiet. These props are a lot more quiet than the Avan 2-inch props, so this thing is like super quiet now and has a bunch of punch. We got the 450 milliamp hour Tattoo 3S battery that Emax sent us with the prototype. So, oh, and I did have a crash, and now my buzzer is really weird now, really low. You guys hear that? That was the buzzer actually. So let's take this thing up in the air so I can show you guys how it flies. So let's take it over here. It's drizzling out here. Wait, let's bring it in close so you can hear how quiet it is. Check it out. Look at a punch out. So super crazy punch out. Let's look at it again. And I'm cutting throttle and it's still going up in the air. And they had PIDs in there already. It was tuned already. And they had profiles and all. I think profile 1 is tuned for 3S, and profile 2 is tuned for 4S, and profile 3 they had was tuned for the 2-inch version of the Babyhawk. So it's tuned for the 2-inch props. So really awesome flyer. Check it out, y'all. 3 inches in it. This thing disappears fast. Just bring it back. Let's do some FPV with it. Man, the rain is starting to come down now, making me think maybe I should just stop flying, but this thing is just so awesome to fly though. Oh, we got a raindrop on. We got a raindrop on board, guys. Okay, it's starting to rain a little too hard. So let's bring it back. My up tilt is super hard. Ah yeah, it's starting to rain a little too hard. Let's bring it back. Going back to line of sight. And they're going to put out a fire. It's the 3-inch version of the Babyhawk-R. Really quiet. Nice punch out. That's it. My monitor and everything is getting wet. Babyhawk-R. 3-inch props. New 3-inch version. Thanks for watching.